Good morning, YouTubers. Now it's Wednesday, the 5th of June, and this is what I've just prepared for the birds. 2 pine cones full of the nice stuff. Peanut butter, smooth. I've got peanuts in there, I've got bird food, and I've got the mealworms. And now I'm just going to hang them up and see what we get. Okay, there's the camera, my motion activated camera, and there are the actual peanut and butter, and got a little bit of bird food in there, peanuts and the mealworm. Okay, let's hope we get some kind of activity. Okay, I'll see you soon. See you in the video. Right, how long's it been? It looks like my tripod has fallen. My tripod has fallen on the floor, as you can see, with the wind. So I don't know how much I have taken. There's the 2 cones. I'm going to have a look to see what I got. Okay, just be with you soon.